Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download apps without adding any payment method on your iPhone. So first of all, open the settings app on your device and once you're in, tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Then tap on Region and make sure to select your country correctly. And once that's done, go back to the main settings menu. Then, at the very top of your screen, tap on your Apple ID profile. After that, select Media and Purchases. And from the pop-up, choose View Account. Then, you might need to verify using your Apple ID password or Face ID. After that, tap on Country or Region. And from here, choose your country. For this example, I'll be selecting the United States. Then tap on Continue and then tap on Agree at the top right corner to accept the terms and conditions. Now you'll be taken to the payment information page. Now on the payment method, simply select None. After that, fill in your billing name and address. And once you've done that, tap on Done and then tap on Save to confirm everything. And that's all. You can now open the App Store and start downloading apps without needing to add a payment method or a credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.